Today, we're going to show you what can you buy for around $500,000 in Windsor, Ontario. Welcome to 3924 Whispering Pine. This is an amazing house. It's a 4-level back split who has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2 living areas with a full also another area in the basement for a second kitchen and laundry. It has a huge driveway that can fit like 4 vehicles. You can also add another vehicle right here. And if you look on this side, you can also remove this wall and let your car goes inside if you have more vehicles.
Or you can add a garage here.
Basically, but of course that has got to go with permits and stuff.
Yeah.
But if you just want to use it as a driveway, you could easily do that. What I love about this house that it features a lot of a brick from the outside. The full exterior is with the brick, with siding, also with vinyl siding on the side here, but most of it is a brick. And I love that about this house. You have a side door here, and look at the details. Like the owner really took a lot of care to kind of like make this house looks perfect in terms of landscaping, cleaning, and the small details of the house.
So if I really like how they are like planted all of these trees to add more privacy on the fence, to add privacy for this house, and also how they added like all of these small cute trees everywhere. So in some backyard we see there's a lot of leaves falling and it's not so clean, but here this is so clean. And they also added lots of stones here and also on this side, and so there's some lightings on the stones as well. So it really kind of gives you a very nice and
exactly. They spend a lot of time on the landscaping just to make the house looks better. And of course, even the details, we're going to take a look at the house from the inside. They spend also a lot of time and money to make it look perfect. And I love, Sarah, the concrete space they left here. You can use this for your barbecue, or you can make like a patio area here with your chairs,
yes,
umbrella, and you can.
Of course, when there's a family gathering, we would always prefer to sit on the concrete, not on the grass, because it's just cleaner. And they added an extra space, concrete space over there, so they can sit there. And also we have a lot of space here.
Exactly. So as you can see,
and they also planted some stuff right here. We don't know exactly what they are, but they do have like this area to plant whatever you want. This is actually so cute.
It's so nice. They take a lot of care to this house. And at the same time, just like we said, it's a 4-level back split. So the basement in this house has a high ceiling and also a big window. So you can take a look at it in a second. Let's go right now from this side to see.
So again, the same thing, the plants and all these stones on the front of the house as well. Landscaping looks very nice.
So keep in mind, this house is only listed for $499,000. Of course, on the offers date, usually the prices goes higher than this, but for the price, you're getting a very nice house. And look at the details. Most of these extra stuff that's like the decoration that's been added to the house, it's been done by the new owner of the house. So that's how you can see like the attention to details, how turned this place into a piece of art. And it's also very organized. So you would think that this is staged, but this is not staged. This is how these owners lives in the house.
I'm an interior designer, and I know pretty much how effort they put to add a lot of stuff in here. I like when you add some textures, some lines on the walls. It's just gonna add more stunning vibes to the house.
So you can go to the kitchen from both sides, like either this way or that way. So this is a full kitchen. It has like the dishwasher, the stove, is the fridge, and it has a very nice deep sink right here. And I love when the sink is right away, like facing the main street. So when you're doing stuff, you're working your lunch or something, you can see people outside, and also you can see the sunlight that goes inside the house, because this house has a lot of windows, like a couple from this side, the door, and also you have a big side door right here. And so just to kind of show you what we mean by 4-level back split. So this is the entrance that we just came in, And this is a level. There's another level here, and also there's another level downstairs. So that's what you mean. And this is also a level as well. So it's 4 levels. This design used to be very common in the 70s, the 80s, and even in the 90s. So this house was built on which year, Sarah? 1998?
1996.
1996. So it's a pretty new house, like about 28 years or something like that. So let's go right now and take a look at this level here. Just like you see, it has 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom. The bathroom is very clean. They added recently a floating vanity, which is really giving it a nice look, and everything else is very clean in the bathroom.
Safe again, we gotta mention that they did a lot of renovation for this house. They, for sure, obviously, the floating vanity is something that has been added by the owner of the house, and there's a lot of other renovations to keep the house clean and new.
Exactly. So you can take a look here. This is the first and the master bedroom here. Just like you can see, it's a good size bedroom. It has a 2 doors a closet, and I said I like the vibes, the touches they added to the walls when they painted it.
You will see them a lot in
light,
this house.
and also the light fixture is really cool and nice. Of course, you have a big window facing the backyard, brings a lot of natural light inside.
And you can see the size is also pretty well, like they are adding a queen bedroom, and there is a side tables and also a vanity, and you can still walk in very comfortable into your closet and beside your vanity as well.
Exactly. So that's not it. We also have another 2 bedrooms. This is like a child bedroom. It's a little bit smaller, but again for one person, it's really good. You have your own closet, a big window, and nice paintings on the walls as well. So I think it's pretty.
It's a pretty good, like fair size bedroom.
Exactly, and this is like a turnkey house. What that means is, as soon as you go in it, you don't need to spend any other money to live inside this house.
Before you enter this bedroom,
yeah.
we have to read what they added here. Please do not disturb the birds.
Yeah, so let's not disturb them. Let's try to be quiet. It's a nice bedroom as well, similar size to the other one on the side. It has a full closet on this side and a big windows, and of course it has 3 birds.
Yes, and they do have a vanity here. Let's see the bird cage here. It's so cute. There's lots of colors, lots of stuff they added here themselves, which is pretty nice. Actually, these birds are so quiet.
They're so nice and quiet. So let's go right now and show you the basement.
And here, only a few steps from the main floor downstairs to the basement. This is the living area, a very good sized living area. If you compare it to the living area that's on the main floor, it's kind of the same size. This is the dining table, and you have a lot of area here and a big window. What's good about back split level, the size of the windows are usually big. It's not like ranch. The ranch is usually are very, very small size windows, but this one is pretty good, and also it brings you natural light all along
So the ceilings are very high.
Of course.
So if someone wants to kind of separate this, I think that's not going to be a problem for them.
And also, if you're planning to rent it, for example, if you're planning to live in the main floor and rent the basement, the only thing you gotta have to add is the entrance. The entrance, you gotta have to have a permit for it, and also to do a side door it's either from here or from there. Or I've seen in so many houses as well, something like this, they would just add a separate wall that would separate it from the basement, from the main floor, and this wall gonna go all around to that side door on the driveway.
So basically, you're taking some space off the main floor,
Yes,
and making it like just an alley that takes you all the way from that side door that's already existed to the basement.
Of
If you want to
course.
save some money.
exactly. Of course, this is gonna make the area of the main floor a little bit smaller, especially the kitchen. But in this In this idea, you wouldn't have to spend a lot of money or wait for so long to get the permit for the side entrance. You can just get it done with a couple of hundreds.
Sure.
Let's see the first and only the only bedroom that we have on the basement is this one, and it is a good sized bedroom. I mean, again, the ceilings are high, and we have a big and nice window that it's facing the backyard of the house, which is nice.
And I like that they have closets in every single bedroom.
Yes, of course. And this is the bathroom. It's a new bathroom that has been added to this house. Again, all the finishes, all the paintings. This is a custom a glass door for the stand-up shower. Again, a floating vanity, twilight, full bathroom, brand new. This is so nice and clean.
So I really love the touches that the owner they put throughout the house.
Yes.
One of them is these glass, these mirrors. This one is also added by the owner, so that's really nice. I'm making the space even bigger.
Yes, exactly. It's you can see all of these touches all over the house, on the main floor and also in the basement. Let's go a little bit, few steps to the downstairs basement. This is also a good size area. It's not finished, obviously, but the ceilings are high. We can walk in very comfortable here. The only thing that we're missing is the windows, but you gotta have to finish the drywall for sure, the ceilings, and here we kind of have a small kitchen. You do have all the equipment. There's a fridge behind safe over there. We have a washer dryer specifically for this unit.
And some of the space here is really good. Like if someone wants to turn this into a full kitchen, I think that's gonna be pretty easy just because the space allows it. Like you can add a full kitchen here, and also you can make it as kind of like a combo, small living area.
Yes.
And a kitchen. And maybe you can turn it into 2 bedrooms in the basement, because basically if you turn this into a kitchen and living area, then you don't need to keep this space. You can make it as 2 bedrooms and rent it for hire.
Yes, I think if it has been constructed by a very good contractor and the work was pretty well, this is going to be turned into an amazing kitchen and living area in this side, because we do have, like, this is a storage and taking a lot of space from this side, but this is also a lot of space that's included with this area.
True.
So this door is going to take us to this kind of...
It's a cold room.
It's a cold room, yeah, and there's a sump pump over here, and this is something very unique and nice to have in every house that can prevent having a flood in every house.
And Sarah, I think one of the stuff that really worth mentioning is that like the building of this house is a concrete.
Yes.
So the whole like foundation is a pour concrete, and that's really good. You're gonna have some, which is a good thing. You're not gonna get this house flooded easily, and
Yeah.
also like it will kind of like the cracks will be not very common to find a crack in the foundation or any stuff like this. These type of houses will live longer. That's why in the 70s and 80s and also 90s they used to build of them a lot.
Yes, Safe, you're right. So a couple thousand and this place is gonna look amazing, stunning, and you can rent it out easily within a very, very good price for rent. Or if you are a big family and you decided to live in the whole house without renting any part of it, you can do that for sure, just like the people they are doing right now, and you can use each part of this house for your family. And the offer presentation date for this house is going to be next week, next Thursday, June 13. Let us know if you are interested to book a private showing, or if you have any questions, or if you want to watch more tours like this. Watch this video next.